Hello everyone, welcome to O to B Equal Education. Today, we're going to learn fractions in a very simple and fun way. So, what is a fraction? A fraction means a part of a whole. For example, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are fractions, and the bottom number is called the denominator.
Top number is called numerator.
If we cut one pizza into 2 equal parts and take one piece, that is 1 by 2. If we cut a pizza into 3 equal parts and take 2 pieces, that is 2 by 3.
Let's add these two fractions, 1/2 and 2/3. We can't add them directly because a half slice and a third slice aren't the same size. To make it work, we need to divide both pizzas into 6 equal pieces.
Why did we choose 6? Because 6 is the smallest number that both 2 and 3 can divide. This number is called the LCM.
Once cut these pizzas into 6 equal pieces, both pizza slices are equal. We can easily count total slices available in half and 2/3 pizzas.
We now have a total of 7 slices, so our numerator is 7. Since each whole pizza was cut into 6 equal pieces, our denominator is 6. Therefore, 1/2 plus 2/3 equals 7/6.
7 by 6, simply. But this is a real life example, out of the box calculation. But in case of your paper, how we can do this though? Do this math. So 2 and 3 LCM is 6. 6 divided by 2. This half pizza. 6 divided by 2 means 3. See? 1, 2, 3. We make it 3 pieces. 1. And how many pieces we have? 1. Multiply 1. Similarly, 6 divided by 3 means 1/3 pizza. We can divide it into 2 pieces. 1, 2. And how many pieces we have? 1 piece and another piece. 2 pieces. Then 6 is 3 plus 4 equal to 7 by 6. This is the way we are adding fraction.
Subtraction works the same way. Find the LCM, convert the fractions, and subtract. Let's understand division. 1/2 divided by 4. In real life, if half a pizza is shared among 4 people, each person gets 1/8. Mathematically, write 4 as 4 by 1. Flip it and multiply. 1 by 2 times 1 by 4 equals 1 by 8. Now multiplication. In real life, 4 half pizzas combine into 2 full pizzas. 1 by 2 times 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 by 2 equals 2.
We have 3 fractions, 3/4, 2/3, and 5/6. Which one is the biggest?
Let's understand using pizza. For 3/4, we divide into 4 equal parts and take 3. For 2/3, we divide into 3 equal parts and take 2. For 5/6, we divide into 6 equal parts and take 5.
We cannot compare them directly because the denominators are different.
We need to find out LCM of 34 and 6. First of all, factorize 3, 4, and 6. Since 2 is a common factor for 4 and 6, and 3 is common for 3 and 6, we only include them once in our final calculation. Multiply those by the remaining factors to get 12. That is your least common multiple.
All 3 pizza will cut into 3 pieces, 12 pieces, that we can compare. Then how many pieces we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Over here, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces. Over here also, we can cut 12 into 12 pieces. So, how many pieces I am getting? 1, total is 10 pieces I am getting. So now we can compare, because we cut the piece into 12 pieces. Each piece we cut into 12 pieces. By cutting these 12 pieces, I am getting 9 pieces over here, 3 by 4, 8 pieces over getting 2 from the 2 by 3, and 10 pieces I am getting 5 by 6. So which one is the biggest one then? 5 by 6 is the biggest one because I'm getting 10 pieces. So we can write over here 5 by 6 first. 5 by 6. Then I'm getting 9 pieces I'm getting from the 3 by 4. Then we can write over 3 by 4. Then 8 we can 8. 2 by 3.
12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So, 2/3 equals 8 over 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So, 3/4 equals 9 over 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So, 5/6 equals 10 over 12. Now compare 10, 9, and 8. 10 is the largest.
So 5/6 is the biggest fraction, then 3/4, then 2/3. Great job learning today. Remember, find the LCM, convert the fractions, and compare the numerators.
Always remember to follow BIDMAS when solving math problems. Brackets first, then indices, division and multiplication from left to right, then addition and subtraction.
Here's our problem. Open bracket 2 3/4 minus 2/3 times 2/3 divided by 3/4 times 2/3 plus 3/4 minus 1/2. 2 3/4 becomes 11 over 4. We multiply the whole number 2 by the denominator 4 and then add the numerator 3. This gives us 11 over 4.
To subtract, find the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. Convert 11/4 to 33/12. Convert 2/3 to 8/12. Now subtract the numerators. 33 minus 8 equals 25/12.
Next, multiply by 2/3. 25/12 times 2/3 is 25/18.
For division, we flip the second fraction and multiply. 25 over 18 times 4 over 3 equals 50 over 27.
Continue left to right. 50 over 27 times 2/3 gives 100 over 81.
To add these fractions, we first find a common denominator. The common denominator is 81 times 4, which is 324. We adjust the numerators and add them together. The final result is 643 over 324.
We start with 643 over 324 minus 1/2. Find the LCM of the denominators, which is 324. Rewrite the second fraction to match the denominator. Now we can subtract the numerators.
And that's our final answer. 481 over 324. Let us solve this word problem.
Alex distributes a certain amount of money among 3 persons. The first person receives a half of the total amount. The second receives an eighth. The third person receives the remaining. If the third receives $540, find the total amount.
Imagine Alex's money as a full pizza. The first person gets half of the total money. To make calculation easy, we divide the pizza into 8 equal slices.
The first person gets 4 slices. The second person gets 1 slice.
So the third person gets the remaining 3 slices.
We are told the third person receives $540.
So we divide 540 by 3. Each slice gets a tag for $180. So 1 slice is worth $180.
Now multiply by 8 to get the total money.
So adding it all up gives us a total of $1,440.
So Alex had a total of $1,400.
Hey, great job, everyone!